This is a simple, easy thing you can do with your kids. These are just pipe cleaners, but I got the glitter ones here at the house, so I'm going to use these. They are, does it say? It doesn't say how long they are. They're probably all the same size. But you take two colors. I'm using red and gold. You need a ruler, and you might need scissors. Depends on you. You're going to take your two ends. No glue necessary. You're going to twist them. Let's see. Just twist. Okay. That's to secure your end. Now you figure out, do I want the gold on the inside or the outside? And the red. I think I'll put the red on the outside and the gold on. All right, we'll do it differently. I'll do gold on the outside and red on the inside. You take your standard ruler, stick it in there. See, you've made a blockage. And you take this end, and you want to twist a couple times here. And you're going to do that all the way down, okay? How's everybody doing today? You good? It is Saturday morning. Hope you're all having fun and enjoying whatever kind of weather you have, because cold, warm, hot, it can still be a fantastic day. Okay. And just keep on moving it. Just want a couple of twists each time. This is so easy for children. Coordination with their hands. There's no glue involved. It's not messy. You can make one for grandparents or neighbors or friends. Okay? And then if you happen to have room at the end, you can make another one. I barely have any room at the end. So, okay, if I had more room, I would make another one, but didn't work out this one. So I'm going to leave these, and we'll just cut them off at the end. All right, and we have all these links here. Remember, we're doing gold on the outside, and you're just going to pull them apart, just like this. Can you see that? I'm going to make little diamonds, so to speak. We're making diamonds. I love things that are easy that the children can do at all ages. It makes life fun. I'm just going to take this end and secure the other end. That's why I personally like to leave a little bit, because then I can, and I sandwich this little nub we started with right in between those two, and I twist it, and then you can keep it there. I personally like to cut it off. Then you're going to spread it out a little bit and make sure that we don't lose our points. Doesn't matter if they're rounded or pointed. That's not the object to see. This one's rounded. But for sake of argument, let's say, I like them more pointed. And voila, you're done. See that? You can make them in any colors. I've made a few of them. It's quick, it's easy, there's no glue involved. Your kids will love doing this kind of thing with you. And it's wonderful because it gives you a chance to have conversations, talk about things, share your experience of life with the children. Not always doing the mom role, you know? This, you just get to be hanging out, having fun. Have a great Saturday. Be creative and enjoy. Love you guys. I'll see you next time.